In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a battery icon in Figma quickly and easily, even if you're just getting started with the app. This is a simple but super useful skill if you want to add clean UI icons to your designs, mockups, app screens, or wireframes without drawing everything from scratch. We'll use a free plugin inside Figma, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to find the icon you want and place it into your canvas in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open Figma and start a new design file, or open an existing file where you want to add the battery icon. Once your design is open, take a look at the bottom toolbar and find the Actions icon. This is where Figma keeps helpful tools, plugins, and widgets that can speed up your workflow. Click the Actions icon, then choose Plugins and Widgets from the menu that appears. This will open the plugin browser where you can search for tools made to help you build faster and design smarter. In the search bar, type Iconify. Iconify is a very popular plugin because it gives you access to a huge library of icons right inside Figma, so you do not have to leave your project or download anything manually. Once you see Iconify in the results, open it. After the plugin launches, use the search box inside Iconify and type battery. You'll now see a list of battery icons in different styles, shapes, and levels, depending on the look you want for your design. Take a moment to browse through the options and choose the icon that best fits your layout. If you want a simple outline icon, a filled battery, or even a battery with a charging symbol, you should be able to find one here pretty quickly. When you find the battery icon you want, just drag and drop it directly into your Figma canvas. You can place it wherever you need it in your design, then resize it, recolor it, or adjust it to match your interface style. That's one of the biggest advantages of using a plugin like Iconify because it gives you flexible icons you can customize instantly instead of building them manually. And that's it. You've now created a battery icon in Figma using a fast and beginner-friendly method. If you found this useful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.